new G3 Bay Deluxe is one sweet fishing machine. This beauty will turn heads at the ramp with a new tan console, upgraded interior design, and a tough coat spray-in liner to match. Packaged with dependable Yamaha power, the Bay 20 Deluxe also provides premium performance for all coastal anglers. Fishing features are never overlooked in a G3 and Yamaha package. The 97-inch beam provides the range and reach you need to fight and land your next great catch. The updated console includes hydraulic steering with custom stainless wheel and grab rail. Faria gauges include fuel, tack, trim, and speedo. The center console also has upright rod holders for 6 rigs. A dealer-installed optional T-top with anodized railing is available to match. When it comes to keeping your catch fresh, the Bay 20 Deluxe excels. A 17-gallon live well is attached to the center console and doubles as a passenger seat. In the stern, a larger 14 by 34-inch, 31-gallon live well is ready for your largest fish. That's 48 gallons of fresh, aerated water on board. In the bow, lockable storage boxes extend under the front deck. One organized for quick rod access, one open for gear. 2 comfortable high-back fishing chairs are standard equipment. An improved layout now has the padded leaning post positioned to accept a 45-quart cooler within easy reach. Flip-up passenger seats provide versatile seating for additional family or friends. Buoyancy pods to aid your shallow water running are also standard equipment. Rounding out this astounding 20-foot bay boat package is an aluminum dual-axle trailer with a patented trail guard locking detachable tongue and 14-inch radial tires. Popular options include a selection of Minn Kota Riptide trolling motors, Lowrance and Simrad electronics, hydraulic jack plate, and factory-installed power pole. Yamaha motor choices include the powerful SHO series from 115 to 150 horsepower. Run with confidence towards your next total coastal adventure. Catch the G3 Life today.